Hello ladies and gentlemen, today's video we will show you guys the best and easy way how to make a fish and beef steak barbecue. Let me introduce you with my wife, Mary. And this is me, Paul. I'm going to film the whole trip for you guys. First, we decided to stop by in our local 7-Eleven before we hit the road.
Hello, we need some ice. Okay, let's grab two.
Remember ice? It's always good to have with you, especially when you hit the road.
Babe, get the big ones.
And of course, energy drink Red Bull. It's always good to have some extra boost.
How much?
349.
349.
Yes.
So we need. Oh wait, this is 12 ounce. Yeah. So we need two more. Yes.
I love honest cashiers. She just told me if you buy two, the third one is free. So I decided to grab two more extra Red Bull since it's free.
So we decided to grab a little bit more Red Bull.
I'm starting getting hungry, so by the time we are at Kachuma Lake, it will take us probably 2 hours, so I think it's better to start the day with 7-Eleven hot dog until our barbecue. We got what we needed it. It's time to hit the road again. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell. Wow, this is a huge lemon tree farm. As soon as we saw people were helping themselves out with the lemon trees, so we decided to take some for ourselves. Wow. That was fun. Enough excitement for today. It's time to hit the road again. We are finally here, a beautiful family-oriented camping barbecue park. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. I wish you guys could be here, experience yourselves. Unfortunately, we realize it's so windy today, so we decided not to rent any boat. That's what I'm talking about. This is my wife, Mary. She went down there next to the lake and catched a nice big fish. So now we could have a fish barbecue. I was so excited. Our plan changed since Mary catched a nice big fish out of the lake. We realized we need more charcoals. Luckily, there is a store inside the park. They have everything for camping.
This is Kachuma's store. Let's do it.
As soon as I walked inside the store, I noticed that this is not a regular store. Anything you want for camping. They have it so you don't have to bring anything with you. You can literally buy anything for camping from this store. Thank you. See you next time. Let's go back, start the barbecue before it's getting too dark.
Oh my god, what is that? Is that a mouse?
I think it was a mouse. I better stay quiet. I don't want Mary to get paranoid.
Oh, it's gone. I can see all those holes. Big hole. I got you a blanket.
Oh, thank you.
Let's add some spicy pepper, sweet pepper, black pepper, little bit of salt, and of course olive oil. And after that, we're gonna mix it very well all together. Now we are making eggplant barbecue salad. Let's look for big rocks. I need it to put on the barbecue so the charcoals don't fall out. Wow, this looks so good. Finally, the fish is ready for the barbecue. Good job, baby. I'm so proud of you.
Holiday.
Nice and crispy, I love it. Make sure to put butter on the fish so it doesn't stick on the grill. Start peeling the eggplant and a little bit green pepper. Add some cilantro with it. Put it in a bowl, then add black pepper, salt, and olive oil. Start mix it together. Little bit of salad. It's always good with fish and steak. Perfect. Our salad is ready. Now it's time for our steak. If you guys notice it, On every little thing we are putting spicy pepper because we love eating spicy. So on our steak right now, as you see, we put salt, black pepper, and spicy pepper. Since we're waiting for the steak barbecue to get ready, Mary, she cannot wait. She decided to start with the fish. Let's see how good and tasty is the fish. She is really enjoying it. Good. This view, it's fascinating. I can hang out here all day long. Just look at the steak. It's perfect, nice and juicy. That's what I'm talking about. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell. Come on guys, it's free for you guys, but it means a lot to us. If you enjoyed this video, please leave us a comment. Thank you for watching, everyone. Now it's time to go and enjoy the beautiful lake view with a nice hot cup of tea. Until next week.